What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I got another vlog on a Sunday, man. Beautiful Sunday today. Me and my wife are pretty excited because we're taking the kids to the snow today. So we get to take a trip to the montañas, up in the mountains. Probably gonna go to Shaver Lake area. We're not too sure yet. Hopefully we can find a decent recreational park area that we can take the kids to the snow. We have some snow sleds that we've bought for like a year and a half, and we finally get to use them. So yeah, we're pretty excited about that. So if you guys saw my last vlog, you guys saw that it was titled "Last Vlog with a Bag Silverado." It was time to let it go, guys. It was kind of sad to see it go, considering all the work that I did to it. You guys seen all the videos that were made. I ended up trading it for something that was more family friendly, more convenient for the family, more comfortable for all of us. Even me, I'm more comfortable too. My kids love it, I love it, my wife loves it. So yeah, we're all happy. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit what it looks like. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere, stay your ass put. But yeah, guys, all in all, this vehicle we traded for, mechanically, nothing's really wrong with it. It could use one or two cosmetic things. But that's nothing that I can't fix, so I'm not really too worried about that. We did trade it to my wife's uncle, my son's godfather. He's the new owner of the Bag Silverado. I buy AutoZone real quick to get a turn signal light bulb. A quick little way to know things wrong with your exterior lights. I'm gonna show you guys a little tip that can help you guys diagnose and quickly solve a light bulb. So when you're using your turn signals, it's supposed to flash normally like that. If it ever flashes rapidly like this, that's a quick indication that one of your exterior turn signal bulbs is not working. And yeah, it's actually the front one in this car. So we're gonna be replacing that pretty soon. And you're gonna see how the quick rapid flashing is gonna go away after replacing the bad light bulb. Alright guys, you guys ready to see it? I'm gonna show you guys our new truck, our new family truck. Yes sir, here it is. The new family mobile. Yeah, it's gonna need a new dashboard, but I'm not too worried about that. That's something that can be fixed. The interior is pretty damn clean. You can see my son's already all set up with his arsenal right here. It's a nine passenger vehicle. My son Santino likes sitting way in the back. He likes having the whole view of everybody. But yeah, here it is, guys. You guys will see right now how my son likes to climb up these little steps. He uses the running boards pretty good. Something we didn't have before. So yeah, we're all happy. And it is flex fuel, so man, that's really nice too. I do want to change the headlights eventually because I'm not too fond of these. And I'm not sure if I want to repaint this or if I want to wrap it. I think I'm going to repaint it black, like midnight black, something like that with pearl in it. You guys just got to stay tuned because I do want to do something with the paint. The Yukon with the 5.3. Other than that, man, this engine looks pretty healthy. Oil pressure is good. The only thing I will be doing is the valve covers, a little leaky. And on both sides, actually. But I'm not too worried about it. It's a slow leak, nothing crazy. But what I will be doing is I will be changing this belt. Because if you see that belt, whenever you see that, that's a quick indication that you need to change your belt before it cracks and snaps. Especially when you least expect it and you're far out on the road. Yeah, you don't want that happening. So let's get to it. Sorry, 15mm wrench. And take the belt off. You guys saw how I did that with one hand. And our new one is the same size, same length. So we can throw it on. Just like that, got the new belt on. within like 5-10 minutes. It's really not that hard. You just got to put the 50mm wrench on your tensioner, turn it to the right, and remove and replace, literally. There it is, guys. I just replaced my front driver's side turn signal light bulb, and no more rapid flashing. You guys see that? So if you guys ever get a rapid blinking, that's you guys know that's a quick indication that there's something going on with your exterior light. Replacing the turn signal light bulb was actually more difficult than it was to do the drive belt, only because you have to remove all of this stuff that are in the way. So yeah, guys, that's enough tutorials for today. I gotta get going, gotta help with the kids getting ready, because we're gonna head to the snow. I think your stuff is on the other side, Dad. You looking for?
I need to get something.
What you need to get? Are you looking for your gun? Look, it's on the other side. You can go around the other side, Dad. Are you ready? You ready to go to the snow?
Yeah.
Vámonos.
Alright.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold the fire. Yes, sir. We are out. Gotta fill her up. G85 is 275 right here. Man, we got it. Yes, sir. You guys ready for the snow? All right. Santino, you ready, Dad?
Yeah.
Abel? Yeah. You ready, Dad?
Yeah.
All right. Veda, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Man. Man, guys, this car is so comfortable for me and my family. We're really enjoying it. I haven't really done much to it besides what I did a little bit earlier. And then yesterday, I did replace the battery because the battery wasn't holding charge anymore. So I got a new battery in there. And then earlier this week, I did do a brake fluid exchange on it because the brake fluid it had in there, man, it was so dark. Damn, that fluid's fucking dark, man. Damn, look at that. I don't think it had been replaced before. And also my power steering too. The power steering fluid exchange. Just doing those two fluid exchanges alone, man, it helped my brake pedal brake so much easier, and then it helped my steering also. The steering wheel feels so much easier to turn. I'd have to use two hands to get it to turn, and now it's pretty easy to do it with one hand. While we wait for AP, they're gonna get you.
Are you guys happy to be in the snow?
Yeah.
Oh, Santino's super happy. Well, here we are, guys. Finally made it to a little snowy section. Yeah, you want to go again, huh, Dad? The alternator on the Yukon decided to take a dump right as we got here. The battery light came on, and waiting for the suegro. He's gonna bring us another alternator. We'll swap it out right here on the spot. Go, 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 go! Woohoo! All right. Try to hit me with the snowball. Whoa! I almost caught that one, Dad.
Angel.
Yeah. Oh! Whoa! I caught that one. Whoa. Dad, are you trying to destroy it or build it? Dang, you guys destroyed the snowman. Dang. At the sled. No, Dad, because it's full of snow. Hey, what are you... Santino! Hey, what they doing over there? Oh, they just hit me. Santino. Oh, you got me.
Wait. Dad, put it in the air. I'm gonna do something.
Oh.
Oh.
Scooby-Doo sandwich.
A Scooby-Doo sandwich. All right. Got the first aid kit. Yes, Dad, I hear you.
I don't really like the bun.
You don't like the bun?
Yeah.
It's snack time, huh, Dad? You got hungry?
No.
No, you don't know? Okay, we'll find out then. Hey! Santino!
Order number 22, your order is done. Order number
snack.
22, your order is done.
Alright. Alright, this thing got everything in it.
Like whenever someone gives me raisins,
Well, there it is, guys. Swapped out the alternator on the road. Yes, sir. Just with bag. Sheesh, back on the road. Okay, bring it, Dad. Give her a little push, Dad.
Wait, I'm not on it yet.
Oh. Alright! Dang, oh my goodness, Dad. A snow angel? Alright. Ready? We're going to do a countdown from 3.
no.
2.
Countdown.
Okay, here we go.
Ready,
3,
set.
2, 1, go! Good workout being out here in the snow, huh?
Yeah, I'm already out of breath.
Holy shit! Run, run, run! And you can see Shaver Lake from right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sheesh.
You got. Let me see what you got. Whoa! Oh man.
The body was a little stronger, had that. Oh my goodness, you destroyed the snowman, Dad. Look at there's another one way over there. Way over there. Man, oh man, finally back in the city. Ain't no mountains here. Ain't no Pinos right here.
I know you're out on tour, sold out shows all over the place. Congratulations on that. You gave for the birthday and the
Man, looks like we did that. All the kids are asleep.
happy birthday, enjoy yourself.
You had fun, AP?
Thank you, sir.
Alright,
We'll
me
take a
too.
break.
Have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dad, it was fun, huh? Come on. Mama's have fun too, come on. Yeah, Mama's have fun too. Come on, vente. Vente pa. Come on. Come on now.
Yeah.
Mira, mira.
Hey, pretty girl. Valentina. Hey, Mom. Hey, pretty girl. Hi, Mom. ¿Qué pasó? What you doing, huh? Hey, you so happy, huh, Mom? You went to the snow today? Woohoo!